Alright, so we are in Honolulu, Hawaii, and they are about to do the siren test for when North Korea sends their missiles to Hawaii. So that is literally what we're about to have a drill for right now. Any second now, the siren should go off. I think it's the second time they've ever done this. And they stopped doing this for years, but now that North Korea has become a threat, it has become something to practice and rehearse, apparently. So there they go. Wow.
God, that's terrifying.
Yeah, that's creepy. I wouldn't think of that as an alarm. I wouldn't think run when I hear that.
It sounds like somebody's horn is stuck.
Crazy shit.